Today, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be covering the Trachycarpus wagnerianus. And this palm is believed to originate from Japan, but it's unknown in the wild, totally unknown. So they believe it's a cultivated variety of Trachycarpus fortunei. And this palm is proven to be very hardy. It has endured -15 with my special protection. It's just a double jute of heavy duty quality, and just under the -15 night. So the other nights it has been -10, -9, -8. It varied a little bit. It had no protection. As you can see, it looks very good. It's a little specimen. We have the little birdies visiting. And very hardy. I'll be posting another video where I do a little more in-depth review of it. It's coming right after this one. You got a little pond there, a little waterfall right there. I don't know if you can see that. And got the birdies, of course. We're loving it. I got a little feeder there. Some free fertilizing for the palms and the rest of the plants. And it's all about symbiosis. So you can see the tequiles, Trachycarpus tequile right there. They had no protection under -15. And oh, there he is again. He loves it here, the fruit and the little breads. So the wagnerianus is quite hardy, this one, and we'll see what happens. The fronds and the leaves are very stiff. You can see it's a lot of snow and they don't even flinch. Looking green and nice, and yeah, all around beautiful and nice palm, and very hardy, as I said. -10, -15 it had, but since it's its first winter here, I planted this one, I think it was in April or May last year. So it's its first winter and it's enjoying it. This is Eddie for tspe.sc, a little mini review, but it's more coming. There we have the little birdies. Let's see it. They wanted to drink some water, but you know, see, they're a little bit afraid because it's cats here and stuff like that. So they drink from this water. It's very clean, actually. Filter it once a week in 2 stages, and otherwise I leave it. So got plants in there. Got a water lily, a red one, and got some other, I don't know if you can see that one right there. It's another water plant, but it was removed. So I took advantage and took a little piece of it, a little rhizome. And there you see the little birdies feasting. Many of them. Got even a little visiting crow there. So this is the pond. You can see the little birdie drinking right now. And they do bathe there too. And they're just loving it. It's nice water spot for them. That is actually not frozen. There you have them underneath too. They love it here. Get a little bit of bread. So that's my little review of the pond and the Trachycarpus wagnerianus. Thank you, and tune in for the next video, which is going to be a deeper review of the Trachycarpus wagnerianus. Thank you. This is Eddie for tsp.sc, and you know, you can order your hardy palms there, and you get complete packages with winter protection, ground cover, fertilizing for 1 year, and it's you just push it in the ground and that's it. You don't have to do nothing else for a whole year. And yeah, and instructions, of course, on how you winterize them and everything. I only fertilize organics here, and it's compost, coffee grounds. Thank you, Joe and Wendy. Learned a lot from their videos, and yeah, this is it. See the birdie coming again. Yeah, they love it. I made it just so they can walk, jump down there, stir the little rocks. They drink, bathe. Thank you.